In this video, I want to talk about what is Qi Gong for beginners. You see that everywhere, right? If you're looking up Qi Gong for beginners, you see it everywhere. So let's break that down and get into it a little bit more deeply. So Qi Gong for beginners is a simple practice of gentle movement, breathing, and awareness that helps you feel calmer, more balanced, and more connected to your body. It's like my teacher used to say, the only time you think of your body is when you stub your toe on the bed, right? Oh, that really hurts. Then you're focusing on your toe. How often do you focus on your body apart from that? Very good question. So for beginners, the focus is not on getting anything right. It is about slowing down and becoming aware of how your body feels. So the mind goes everywhere. It's like a time traveler, right? It's shooting all over the place. You want to bring it into the body so you realize how you feel. Most beginner practices include soft movements, steady breathing, and placing your attention into the body. This allows tension to release naturally rather than forcing change. Qi Gong is especially helpful if you feel overwhelmed, tired, or disconnected. It gives your nervous system space to settle. You do not need to experience strength or flexibility to begin. Even a few minutes each day can start to make a difference. Over time, many people notice improved sleep, more stable energy, and a greater sense of ease in daily life. So I remember when I started my practice, I was very stressed, very anxious, shoulders up. My teacher, beautiful Hope, she kept saying, relax your shoulders, Peter. Relax your shoulders, Peter. I was up and down with the shoulders, and then the shoulders started to relax and started to realize, oh my goodness me, all the fascia is all tight and stiff because I've been walking around like this for years because of my stress and anxiety. And then the shoulders started to become nice and soft and flexible, and then the hands started to fall into a beautiful soft way of being. And I realized how powerful this is. But to start off with, it was stress and anxiety that really did get me. Qi Gong got me in such a better place. That's the way I put it. It got me in such a better place as a body. My mind, body, and spirit, connection with my spirit and my meditation got deeper. So what if you wanted to go deeper with the Bright Beings Academy and what I do? Well, we have free membership, but let's look into, before you even decide on memberships, there's some articles here. If you click the link in the description of Qi Gong for Beginners, the complete guide to energy, health, and inner balance, that will help you understand the deeper aspects of Qi Gong. Is actually for beginners. The healing power of Qi Gong it's an ancient practice, but it has modern benefits. It actually aligns very well with modern science. For instance, there's a saying in our Qi Gong practice called water up, fire down. The brain scientifically works best when it's cool, so water up, and the gut works best when it's warm, fire down. So it's starting to really connect more deeply with modern science, this practice. We also have live online Korean Qi Gong classes every Thursday at 7 p.m. UK time and every Sunday at 11 a.m. UK time. And you can join live classes with me taking those classes, so you can have some sort of structure to your practice, as well as joining the academy where you get lots of free resources anyway with the free membership. But with the tutor membership, which is the live online classes, you get so much more. And it's really, really a low investment for high impact on the body. That's the tutor classes. So you can click those links and find out more about the Bright Beings Academy. So Qi Gong for Beginners is about you connecting more deeply with your body in a very slow, coherent, soft way. There's no rushing, there's no stressing. In fact, you're trying to get the friction out of your mind, you're trying to get the friction out of your body, and you succeed when you keep your practice going. So you have to keep working at it all the time. And it's not that big a commitment, but when you start to get into it, it's like one of my students said, one of my members who comes to classes in the local area said that I want to take a day off, but this is so addictive, I can't. It's very true. As soon as you start to feel better, it becomes addictive. Anyway, click the link in the description if you want to go further with me. I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.